welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see chapter 2 exercise 2.2 question 2. So question is, find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So in this question the sum of zeros and the product of zero is given, and from that we want to find quadratic polynomial. So here 1 upon 4 is the sum of the zeros and minus 1 is product of 0. So here we have to use the formula of sum of zeros. So the formula sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So this is the formula of sum of the zeros, and here it is given 1 upon 4, so is equal to 1 upon 4. Now product of zeros, product of the zeros is equal to alpha into beta is equal to c by a, and here it is given minus 1, so is equal to minus 1. माइनस 1 के अपॉन में कुछ भी नहीं दिया गया, तो हम उसके डिनोमिनेटर में 1 लिख सकते हैं. So upon 1. Now see the both the formula carefully. First formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and second formula alpha into beta is equal to c by a. In both formula denominator is the same, a and here also same. दोनों में डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल है. फॉर्मूला में डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल है तो उसके आंसर में भी डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल होना चाहिए. तो उसका आंसर है 1 अपॉन 4 और इसका आंसर है माइनस 1 अपॉन 1. तो इन दोनों में डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल नहीं है, तो हमें उसे पहले इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे 4 है, तो यहाँ पे भी हमें 4 लाना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई 4 अपॉन 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा माइनस 4 अपॉन 4. नाउ इन बोथ प्लेस डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल. Now comparing these two, minus b by a upon is equal to 1 upon 4 and c upon a is equal to minus 4 upon 4. So from that we get the value of a, b, c. Here a is equal to 4, here also a is equal to 4. So we get a is equal to 4. Now minus b is equal to 1. And c is equal to minus 4. Here minus b is equal to 1. Therefore b is equal to minus 1. Now final answer, we comparing a standard form of quadratic polynomial. Therefore quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. In this we have to put the value of a, b and c. Here a is equal to 4, so it becomes 4x square, and b is equal to minus 1, so here minus x, and c is equal to minus 4, so minus 4. So this is the final answer, 4x square minus x minus 4. Now let's see second number. In second number, root 2 is the sum of the 0 and 1 upon 3 is the product of 0. So sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and is equal to root 2. Here in denominator nothing given, so we can write 1. Now product of zeros is equal to 1 upon 3. So in sum of the zeros the denominator is 1. In the product of zeros the denominator is 3. So here 1 and here 3. So we first of all make equal. So here we have to multiply with 3 upon 3. So it becomes 3 under root 2 upon 3. Now comparing these two and these two, we get the value of A, B, C. So first of all, A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. And B is equal to B is equal to 3 root 2. और यहाँ पे B के साथ माइनस है तो यहाँ पे माइनस आ जाएगा. Therefore B is equal to minus 3 root 2. Now C is equal to 1. Now comparing with standard form, therefore quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is c. Now put the value of a, b and c. So it becomes 3x square. Value of b minus 3 root 2. So minus 3 root 2 into x and plus c. So here c is equal to 1. So this is the final answer. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Now let's see third number. In third number, 0, under root 5. So sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and is equal to 0 upon nothing. So we can write what? Then product of 0 is equal to alpha into beta is equal to c upon a and is equal to under root 5 and upon nothing given. So under upon 1. Now here denominator are already equal. So we don't require to multiply with another number. So by comparing this, we get the value of a, b, c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to under root 5. Therefore, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Now put the value of a, b, c. A 1, so it become 1x square. B 0, so 0x plus c under root 5. Therefore, x square plus under root 5. This is the final answer. Now let's see fourth number. In fourth number, both number is given 1, 1. Sum of the zeros is equal to 1. It is given 1. And upon nothing given, so we can write 1. So it becomes 1 upon 1. Similarly, the product of 0 is equal to 1. So here also we have to write upon 1. Here both the denominator are equal. So comparing this, we get the value of a, b, c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 1. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Now put the value of a, b, c. A is equal to 1, so it becomes x square. B is equal to minus 1, so it becomes minus x. And c is equal to 1, so plus 1. So this is the final answer, x square minus x plus 1. Now let's see the fifth number, minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is equal to minus 1 upon 4. And the product of zeros 1 upon 4. Now see both the denominator. Here already it is equal. So now we can compare to these two. So we get the value of a is equal to 4 and the value of b is equal to minus b is equal to minus 1. From here both side minus 1 cancel, so b is equal to 1. Now c is equal to 1. Therefore, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Now place the value of a, b, c. So a is equal to 4, so it becomes 4x square. B is equal to 1, so x, and c is equal to 1, so plus 1. So this is our final answer, 4x square plus x plus 1. Let's see the last number 6. 4 and 1. Here 4 and 1 given. So 4 is the sum of the zeros, so is equal to 4. And upon nothing given, so we have to write 1. 4 upon 1. Now the product of 0 is given 1. So c upon a is equal to 1, and here also upon nothing given, so we can write 1. So 1 upon 1. Now see the here, both the denominator are already equal. So we don't need to multiply. So we compare these two, we get the value of ABC. So A is equal to 1. We comparing these two, we get the value of B. B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 1. Therefore, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Now place the value of ABC. A is equal to 1, so it becomes x square. B is equal to minus 4, so here minus 4x, and c is equal to 1, so plus 1. So this is the final answer, x square minus 4x plus 1. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आने वाले सभी वीडियो की आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे।